Jolly, during that last timeout, nagkaroon tayo ng injury update. Akalain mo ang big time natin, ano? Nakakuha tayo ng update. Kay Coach Ronnie Magsanok, one of the 25 greatest players ever to play the game. Dito sa ating sulok na mundo. Bait talaga ni Coach Ronnie.
Side mo.
Sobrang bait kasi ni Papa Rons. Pero Coach Ronnie Magsanok informing us na hindi naman daw ganun kagrabe yung injury neto ni Gary David. Ang problema, dumudugo yung inong kanina. Kaya inupo muna sa bench kesa na madelay yung laro. Pinag-free throw nila si Dillinger. Eh yun nga, pagka hindi ikaw ang kumuha ng free throw na ikaw ang inabot ng foul, hindi ka na pwede bumalik sa laro.
Saka no reason rin para ipilit patong itong si Gary David. Ano? Ang mangyayari na lang para dito sa Meralco Balls nito. Tapusin na, they will try to go through their motions. Try nilang ibaba ito, Magu, and then work
make it
on
respectable.
their next, yes. And then ang magpaplano na sila para sa kanilang next game
Ang bigat ng susunod na tatlo ng Meralco. Friday sa Inares Antipolo, November 21, Barangay Nebra katapat ng Meralco. Tapos sa Sunday, November 23, Pure Foods naman. November 28, San Miguel Beer before they round out their schedule by facing Kia on December 3rd and Global Port on December 9.
Yung dalawang ating mga, isang expansion team, itong Kia tayo yung Global Port na, hindi mo naman masabing infancy stage ng kanilang kanilang campaign. They've been around for several seasons na rin itong Global Port.
Paulie, splendid performance here in Davao na para sa kanya. Gusto pang dagdagan, Jolly.
Oo. Well, yun ang pinag-uusapan natin, partner. Tuloy-tuloy para talagang yung kanilang momentum. Tuloy-tuloy yan into yung sinusunod na makakalaban nila, yung Reynolds.
Chef Chan delivers our Mangwan Pinoy play of the half. 100% galing ng Pinoy mula sa Mangwan, packed with sarap ng Pinoy. It gets tougher from here para sa Meralco. They are about to absorb their third loss. Magtataper off sila sa 3-3 Jolly. Given this sort of schedule, is it safe to say na yung top 2 malamang hindi na maabot?
Oo, parang Alaska daw. Well, okay. Nakadikit lang naman yung after Hinebra, yung 4-1, 4-2 na Beerman tsaka mga Talking Tex and the Rain or Shine. Pero the way Alaska is playing, partner, talagang binibigyan ka ng 20-20 nung isang mama dun Calvin Abuevan. They're playing very good defense. Itong sila Pingek Siminiano, Vic Manuel playing very well para sa Alaska. I think that one spot is just there to stay.
Lowest na siguro 2?
Yes, so simply playing awesome basketball itong Alaska Aces these days.
So itong Meralco, they will have to fight for at least that 3, 4, 5, 6 which will come with a twice to beat advantage. Doon naman, maganda pa yung pag-asa nila doon.
Yes, that's correct. With the rank naman sila. So yun na nga, mangyayari dito. They will just try to forget about this ball game and move on to the next and just talagang bring out regular Meralco ball basketball. Yung pinag-uusapan natin from the get-go, yung kanilang aggressive style, energetic style, yan ang kailangan ilabas nila come next game.
Rain or Shine naman, on their way to picking up win number 5, which should get them after today, solo third place. Pero by tomorrow, pwedeng pumanik ng second yan or even third.
Sorry, but Bo Belga tossed the pass to Chris Chu, who was not in the ball game.
Ilang laro na hindi naglalaro si Chris. Pira. Masyadong unselfish si Bo. Injured nga si Chris Chu. Nakabihis na pero hindi pa rin ginagamit ng Rain or Shine. Masyado ka unselfish
Natawa yung mga nag-enjoy yung mga tao dito.
Alam ko na kung bakit.
But
Mamaya ilalagay ni Bo yung ngipin niyang natanggal sa ilalim ng unan Baka sakaling si Chris Chu, yung very godfather, malaki-laking budget.
maliwanag na 5,000 yun.
Malaking budget yun pag si Chris ang nagpalit ng salapi sa kanyang ngipin.
Godfather. Ayan,
Si Chris tatawa-tawa Ako pagka, wag mo akong tatanggalan ng yung anak ko na lang. Kunin ko si Chris. Chris, ikaw magpunta doon sa unan. Palta mo yan. 103-72. Just under 4 minutes before we call it a night dito sa Davao City. Coach Caloy Garcia slowly inserting the bench. Bakit naman may Raynor? Walang patawad yung depensa.
Parang tumatakbo ng 100-meter dash to si Jaire Ibanez. Sprint todo.
Tumingin na ba sila sa scoreboard? Nakatingin na ba sa scoreboard itong mga to?
Alam mo mga sinasabi ng mga coaches, yun ang sinasabi nga rin nila, don't look at the scoreboard. Kunyari, 0-0 pa rin yan para tuloy-tuloy ang paglalaro ng hard ng opponent.
And yun yung ano eh, doon nabubuo yung karakter na dyan.
Oo. Yes. Mga great teams ngayon. They just don't relax. They play the full 48 minutes of a ball game.
Whether you're up, whether you're down,
Oo.
whether dikit, doesn't matter ano.
Tama. That's correct. Even for the case of the Meralco boss, partner. Kasi if you're trying to gain momentum, yun na nga, going into that Ginebra game pa. So, di ba, you want to try to do things right kahit na ganyan na kalaki ang kalamangan ng kalaban mo.
TY, no looks it over to his rookie. Inabot sa mukha daw si Jericho, sabi niya, pero tumatakbo na Meralco. Anthony to Hodge, he puts up a long one. No.
Jericho Cruz, even if he was hit yung play na yun, makikita mo yung elevation, eh, no? As na nakikita natin, Jairi Banches na nagpaba ng bola para sa rain or shine.
Jericho on the run. No. Ibang klaseng second half. Ang pinakita
Galit
sa atin
pa.
ng Rayson. Gagalit pa si Coach.
Sinasabi natin, kahit na ganyan ang kalamangan, coaches still expect you to play the correct way, di ba? Yung saying, I think he's shouting at his prize rookie Jericho Cruz for, I don't know, I think that shot was too early. Pinag-usapan natin, milking the clock. Ayun, coach, bawi ako, sabi ni Jericho Cruz.
Pero ito nga, rain or shine. After some shaky moments in that second quarter, kung saan nanakaw na Meralco yung kalamangan, they finished strong
Oo.
in that second frame. And then they carried it over into the third quarter kung saan nilayuan na nila ng tuluyan itong Meralco.
Actually, no, Meralco, well, nakalamang pa ng 1 point. I think that was the second quarter, like you mentioned, and talagang just nakapag-regroup, rain or shine, boom, and then this just balloon to 20 plus points.
2-minute warning atid sa atin ng Outlast Battery start agad. Jericho Cruz na naman ang babalikan dito na rain or shine. Big Bo with a long one. Gagaya pa kay Paul. Papabanda pa sana.
Ayan ang luxury ng may kalamangan ka ng 29. No? You can put up funky shots like that.
Oh! Rain or shine, not stopping in playing hard on that defensive end. Ito yung mga ball game na hindi malilimutan na Meralco Bulls.
Clifford Hodge, pitong fake yata ang ginawa that time. At hindi talaga kumakagat itong si Gabe Norwood, pero still managing to get a foul. It's gonna be free throws for Hodge. Still calling plays. Coach Kaloy, we're right beside him.
Ay pa mo po. Relax ka muna. Kita mo, sila Paul, sila Raymond Almasan. And the rest of the guys already with some smiles on their faces. They know they're coming out of Davao with 5 victories. Or with their 5th victory, rather. Just over a minute away from the final horn.
We'll have a review of the last out-of-bounds play. Upon review of the session,
Going through the motions, partner. We're just waiting for this final score.
Makapagal swings it around papunta kay Anthony. Hodge, natapikan pa ni Belga.
Well, anytime you reach in, 9 times out of 10, itatawag talaga ng mga officials yun. Yun ang nangyari that time. And Bo Belga,
Fouls out of this game.
yes, will say goodbye.
Sabi ni Kinyan, pambira ka naman, naka-relax mode na ako
Ang ganda
dito.
na ng upo ko eh.
Like a boss na yung upo ni Kinyahan, pabalik pa tuloy. Tandaan po natin bukas dalawang napaka-eksplosibong matchup ang hatid sa inyo ng inyong TV5. The PBA on TV5 gets going at 3 p.m. It is gonna be Meralco Bull Energy taking on Kia. A battle at the bottom. Might just be kahit na nasa halfway mark pa lang tayo ng ating tournament, might well be a battle for survival for their campaign.
Oh. And every game counts talaga. Magu from top to bottom, 1 to 12. Yung mga teams na yan, no let up talaga.
And then the battle for second place in the team standings between the San Miguel Beermen and Barangay Ginebra. as Jericho Cruz gets another 2 to go.
Napakabilis ng mga paa ng batang to, Jericho Cruz. Not a lot of size, no? Maybe about 6'1" lamang.
Ayun o, nakakuha pa ng block.
Oo.
T.Y. Tang looking to dribble away the time. Jaire, kanina nakatres yan mula sa kanto sa kanan. This time he attacks. Jaire, nasalo ni Norwood pagkatapos siyang mabutata.
Kahit magpa 24-second, na sila eh. Kahit ipa-expire na nila yan, wala nang problema yan para sa Reyna.
Hodge to Karam on the run. Consolation points para dito sa Meralco, but they will be absorbing their third defeat against 3 wins. Samantala, etong Rain or Shine, the last 2 painters will be climbing to 5-2.
Boom! Paul Lee right in front of us. What a game galing sa mama na ito. Partner, in the starting very strong was Rain or Shine, setting the tone of this ball game. Pero second quarter, nakabalik ng konti. Your Meralco Bulls, we mentioned even getting a 1-point lead. Pero simply too awesome. Third and fourth quarter, this Rain or Shine team na pinangunahan ng malupit ng angas ng tundo. Hi, Paparoni.
107-79 is your final score. Best player of the game natin. Hatid sa inyo ng Cord Marine Epoxy. Sintigas ng bakal. Sintibay na bato. Sintatag ng isang blocking semento. What a performance by the lethal weapon.
Malupit, partner Paul Lee from the get-go. Mainit na mainit. Actually, Jeff Chan, inumpisahan ni Jeff Chan ang mga scoring chores. Pero nung pagpasok agad ng Paul Lee, sabi ko, Kuya Jeff, itutuloy ko na to. Hanggang sa dulo, Paul Lee, mainit na paglalaro.
Paraco, Kia sa alas 3 ng hapon. Susundan ng Salpukan, San Miguel Beer at Barangay Ginebra, San Miguel. Sa ngalan ni Jolly Escobar at sa buong team natin dito sa Sports 5 sa pangunguna ni Bobo Tapuan. Mag-umarcho, nagpapasalamat sa inyong panonood. This has been a Sports 5 production of the Philippine Basketball Association.